Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lage Raho. In the last class we have solved question number 5. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Find the shortest distance between the lines vector r is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda into I cap minus j cap plus k cap and vector r is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus mu into 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. So this is the question, dear students. So he has given what? Find the shortest distance between the two lines. So what is the formula? You already know. We have discussed in first class also. You know about that. So first of all, you should know vector equation of two lines. That is vector r is equal to a1 plus lambda into b1 vector and vector r is equal to a2 plus mu into b2, dear students. Clear? So these are the vector equations of what? Two lines, dear students. Vector a1 is what here? Compare a1 plus lambda b1. a1 plus lambda b1. a1 is this only. So here a1 is what now? a1 is I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, dear students. What is b1? Lambda into b1 you have told, no? Lambda into b1. b1 is what? So that is b1 is I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So a2 is what? a2 is 2 I cap plus j cap minus k cap and mu b2. b2 is what, dear students? b2 you see here mu into this, that is only b2. b2 is what? 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. This is your what? b2. So now b1 and b2 are different. When b1 or b2 are different means, dear students, these are what? Skew lines. Skew lines we are having a formula. So skew lines we have a formula. So before that a2 minus a1 also we can find. a2 minus a1 because this is required for us. 2 minus 1 plus will become minus here. a2 minus a1 you are doing. 2 minus 1 is 1 I cap. 1 minus 2 plus will become minus. I had already told you because minus a1 you are saying. 1 minus 2 is minus j cap. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 k cap, dear students. Clear? a2 minus a1. If you want, you write full and subtract them. I had already shown in first video how to subtract. So you can see, go through that. So now see, we are having a formula, dear students. D is equal to, when both b1 and b2 are different means skew lines, I have told you. So modulus of vector b1 cross vector b2 dot a2 minus a1 vector whole divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. This is equation number 1, dear students. So then easily you can find what? b1 vector cross b2, dear students. b1 is what? This is not into r, this is cross product. Cross product can be written in what? Determinant form, dear students. Determinant. That is I cap, j cap, k cap. Clear? So what is b1? b1, can you see the numbers? 1 minus 1, 1. You write here. 1 minus 1, 1. b2 is what? 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Clear? So now expand r1. Expand r1, dear students. I cap, write as is. First row you leave, first column. I cap is in first row, first column. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 2, minus you write before multiplying this and this. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus j cap. First row you leave, second column you leave. So 1 into 2, 2. Minus 2 into 1, 2, dear students. Plus k cap you write. So first row you leave, last column. 1 into 1, 1. Minus you write. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus into minus it will become plus 2, dear students. Clear? So how much you will get? b1 cross b2. See here. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 I cap. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into anything is 0, dear students. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 into k cap, 3 k cap. I had left with j. Why I am leaving j, you know? 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into anything is 0, dear students. So now I got B1 cross B2. So then I want to see the equation 1. So I want the magnitude of B1 cross B2 or not. So you can find magnitude of B1 cross B2. That how we will find, you know, square root of x square. X square means minus 3 square. So y square means y is not there only. Z square. Z means what? 3. 3 square. How much you will get this? See. So minus 3 square is how much? 9. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 9. 18. 18 how will you write, you know? 9 2s are 18 we can write. 9 2s are 18 or not? So root 9 is how much? 3. Root belongs to 9 also, 2 also. Root 9 is 3. Root 2. So this is your answer we got now. So magnitude of B1 cross B2. So I can erase this one, dear students. Maybe you have copied it. So actually that was not required for your understanding purpose. I wrote. So we will substitute the values in equation. So what will happen? See, from 1 or therefore equation 1 becomes, you write. Therefore equation 1 becomes, what it will become, you see. D is equal to B1 cross B2 I want. B1 cross B2 is what? Minus 3i cap plus 3k cap. Dot A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is what? I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap. Whole divided by magnitude of what? Magnitude of B1 cross B2. It's already there. 3 root 2. Clear? So now you know how to multiply dot product. It's a very easy, simple for you. I to I multiply minus 3 into 1. Minus 3. J is not there here. J you can't multiply because J is not there means. So K to K. 3 into minus 2. So minus 6 whole divided by 3 root 2. So this will become what? Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9 divided by 3 root 2. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So modulus of minus 3 will become what? Plus 3. 3 by square root 2 units, dear students. D value is 3 by root 2 units. I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding, please like my channel and subscribe those who are not subscribed, because each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. Please support me. I hope you will support us and we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.